Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we are going to cook pasta carbonara. My name is Gesit Wicaksono Sejati.
My name is Defrizel.
My name is Farrel mawlana.
My name is Andhika Dewa. And now we want to cook pasta carbonara.
Yeah.
The first step, we have to boil the milk on the pan until it boils. While the water is coming to boil, heat the olive oil in a large round pan over medium heat. Then add the bacon and cook slowly until crispy. Bacon until crispy, add the garlic and cook another minutes. Then turn off the heat and put the bacon and garlic into a large bowl. Then turn off the heat and put the bacon and garlic into a large bowl.
Next, in a small bowl, beat the eggs and mix in about half of the cheese. After that, once the milk has reached a rolling boil, add the dry pasta and cook uncovered at a rolling boil.
The pasta is al dente. Use tongs to move it to the bowl with the bacon and garlic. Let it be dripping wet. Reserve some of the pasta milk. Move the pasta from the pot to the bowl quickly, as you want the pasta to be hot. It's the heat of the pasta that will heat the eggs sufficiently to create a creamy sauce. Toss everything to combine. allowing the pasta to cool just enough so that it doesn't make the eggs curdle when you mix them in. After that, add the beaten eggs with cheese and toss quickly to combine once more. Add salt to taste, add some pasta water back to the pasta to keep it from drying out. And then to serve, add some black pepper and then sprinkle the bacon to the pasta. Then grate some Parmesan cheese on the pasta. And that's all, folks.
And now it's time to try the carbonara.
1,
2,
2, 3.
What?
Yummy! Super yummy.
Honestly, went better than expected.
Okay guys, thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.